Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to see the data source permissions of a table. You can take any table like SQL, Dataverse, or SharePoint. Okay. So if you have the permissions of that table like create, edit, delete, and read permissions, so you can be see by using this application. So without wasting too much time, let's I show you how we are doing this. Yeah. So we have the one function that is data source info function. So basically we are using this function to check user has the valid permissions or not to create the record. Okay. So this function basically gives you the column information as well as data source information. So in the column information, you can be check the display name, okay, max length, max value, minimum value, and the it is required or not. So this information you can be checked by using a these properties, okay. And we also have like data source allow values, okay, means what type of permissions can user be granted for this data source. Then we have the create permission, means user can create the record or not, delete user can delete or record not. So this type of permission we can be see. Okay. So let's I go. These are the syntax you can be follow. Okay. If you not understand, so you can be do with me as well. So first step is to add your table. Okay, so in this case I using the context table account I already done, or I can simply showcase you the code as well, there is no problem. So you can be see the code. Okay, let's I zoom it in for you. So this is our collection. Okay, you can be see I'm using clear collect function using call data info is a collection name and simply checking the permission type. Okay, create permission, edit permission type, and using here data source info, our table name, and the what we need to check the property. Okay, like data source info, like create permission I need to check. So all these four I checking. Okay, and simply using gallery control to display this information by using call data info. So if you see for the account table, I have all the permissions. Okay. If you check for the any other users as well, so you can be validate this information. Okay, and check for that users in the Power App itself. If you want to see in the admin center, okay, if you have the privileges in the admin center, you can be also see in the admin center as well by seeing the role of the user. Okay, like let's I go select the environment. So I'm in the Ravindra 2025 settings, users and permissions, security roles. Let's I go one step back and go to users. So here my user is present. Okay, so let's I go and select. So I have the three roles. Okay, one is the basic user, and second one is system administrator. System administrator is the highest role. Okay, so you can be see all the information in that table. Okay, so let's I go and click on the manage security. So I'm in the security roles. Okay, and showcase you one of system administrator table. We need to search for accounts. So if you see for system administrator, I have the create, read, write, delete, append, as well as assign all type of access at the organization level. Okay, if you create any security role, so in that case you can be edit this create, read, write permissions for that table. And you can also use one more tip on visible property of the screen. Okay, you can use this code. Okay, means whenever users land to this screen, okay, so he can be see that information. Okay, click on the save. So that's all, friends. If you have any question, any doubt, you can be asked me in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. And one more point, this complete YAML code is available in the my blog videos, so you can be view that blogs. From there you can be copy all the code. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day to you.